something seems a little bit off, and I cannot quite put my finger on it. Can y'all see what is off just walking around the car? Something I gotta get fixed stat. What is it? What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to fix something on the car that I didn't notice at the dealership. So I'm over here at Prestige Films right here. It's a new shop, and he actually did the tint on my Camaro, so thought I'd show him some love. He just opened up a new shop. Young entrepreneurs, man, I love to see this. So I'm about to shout them out in today's video. So they just got this building right here, and they're about to tint the BMW in there right now. Cue the intro, here we go. So I didn't know when I bought the car that it came already tinted. So it's like a 20 or 35%, and that's exactly what I like. 35 is what I would prefer, and I think that's what it is. But the windshield on the M2 is not tinted, so I got to get the whole car to match, because it's like good looking from the side profile, but when you look in the front, it's just clear. So I got to get that fixed. I tint all my windshields, so it looks great, phenomenal in photos. So let's go inside Prestige Films and let's take a look and see what they got here. Pardon me, Prestige Protective Films. Here we go, and they're open 7 days a week, and I'm on here on a Sunday. So we got Quan here.
What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Quan, also known as Relentless. You can follow me on Instagram at Relentless Enterprises. I own Relentless Automobile Detail, so if you guys are looking for in and out, paint correction, ceramic coating, holla at me. I'm your guy, Relentless.
And we got Ali. He's the culprit that tinted my Camaro.
Yes, sir. I'm here with Prestige Protective Films. We do vinyl wrap, paint protection film, and window tinting. I'm the one that tinted the 01, and I'm tinting the M2 now.
All
right. Let's get to it.
There we go. Appreciate it. So looking at it from right here, the front, you can see clear through this thing. I don't like that, because I be digging in my nose sometimes. But the side looks good, so we need that. The black accents pops with the black roof, the black spoiler, the black side mirrors, but that front just throws it all off. So we're about to get that going in just a second right here. Like I said, man, I love to see we got some young entrepreneurs, multifaceted, man, got all these businesses, and they got my car in here. Shout out to them for getting me in here on a Sunday, because it is hard. Like, I'm busy during the week, so it's hard to get in, but open Sunday, that's a game changer. I've never seen a vinyl shop like that, and I've been to quite a few. But we're about to get this started. They got the material, so I'm going to go with regular 55% tint. I'm interested in ceramic coat, or the ceramic tint, but the sides are just regular tint, and it has like a blue tint to it, so not like window tint. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, that's what we're going with. Regular tint on the windshield, 55%, gives me privacy, and it makes the car look good, especially in photos in the summertime. All right, finishing touches right here. So you have to shrink it to the outside of the windshield before we put it on the inside of the car. That's the proper way to do it. Like how you protecting my dash too. You guys see that? It's the small things that count. We are all finished here. Front windshield 55%, so it's about the lightest you can do. It's either like, there's no really good transition. I believe it goes from like 55% and 35%, maybe 40, but there's really no in between. So that's what I decided to go with. Very light, so I can actually see out the car, and then it does its job blocking the sun rays too. Ceramic tint does a better job at blocking the sun rays, but front windshield tint makes the pictures and the video quality much better, especially recording videos inside the car, taking pictures outside the car. So let's take a look and see what the difference is looking like. So yeah, you really can't even see through there like you could before. So it was like a fish bowl in the front, but now it just brings it all together. So the front helps darken the sides as well, and the sides help darken the front so you can't even see through it. So it's already tinted when I got the car. So, and they did a really good job at that one too. And Ali, he did a great job at that. Shout out to Prestige Protection Films. Shout out to Quan too. He got my tires shining as well. He got Relentless Automotive Detailing. Definitely coming back for that. Get the car fully detailed when needed. Got the tire shine glossy, man. Check out the reel we got on Instagram. That thing was funny. Some other things that was off. I meant to talk about this earlier, but looking at the PPF, this was done when I got the car already. Like you can tell with this line right here. So showing this age, but it's really showing this age. Like in the back, like you can see like dirt caked up in here. Probably just easily cut that part off and not have to deal with this dirt line right there. But it's showing its age on the PPF. Yeah, man, that's it. Like the way it turned out. Quick in and out hour. Did all of that. Just in there talking, having a good time. But that's it for that one. Front windshield tinted. The tint is complete. Let me show you all the side windows too. I thought the window was tinted at first. You can normally tell on here. It's generally an edge to the window where you can tell, but it looks like they filed it, like just cut it off to where it's like flush where you can barely tell. So they did a good job with the window tint too. While I was in there, man, I was looking at the 3M wrap book. Should I get this car wrapped, and what color should I get it wrapped? But I want to know what y'all think on the wrap. So the colors that I'm thinking are, so I already had it planned out if I got the black one, because black doesn't, I wanted a bright color. So white is bright, but I want something to pop because I like my bright colors. So should I do like an orange, I want a satin orange. Should I do plum crazy again? Purple's one of my favorite colors, my favorite color. Or some kind of bright green, I don't know, I like a few greens, like a emerald green or just like a very bright green. Not as bright as my SS1LE, It's bright as what is that behind me? Yeah, something like the trash can, but a little more green to it. So drop a comment, let me know. Now the car is complete. Can finally drive around, have my privacy, and it doesn't look odd. There you have it. Looking good, looking great. One more time for the one time. Carbon fiber. Oh, I see you. I see you in the sun, baby. Another question for y'all. Would y'all rather see more carbon fiber bits on the car or a wrap job? Because that crap is going to cost about the same anyway, so let me know. I just had an epiphany while I was in there. I'm leaning more so towards the wrap, so I don't know. Probably the top colors I would go with is green or orange, because I had purple before. Don't want to be too purpled out, and it'll really pop with the gold wheels. I think the green will pop more with the gold wheels. Yeah, green definitely, but I don't know. We'll get to that in the future video. So that's what I'm gonna leave you all with today. Car, the tint complete. Feels good about it. Maybe wrap. I don't know. We'll see. Don't forget to check out my channel, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out.